What's up, YouTube? It's us, Team XNYC. And we just came back from the longest trip I think we've ever had in our lives, but
yes, got 'em. We went to Queens
again
for these boxes.
We didn't stop by Burger King. We didn't have money.
And then we went to Burger King. We didn't have that much money. Then we went to Manhattan.
And then we went
back to the Bronx.
We went to my house.
To his house because I left my deck over there, and then went back to my house. So we had these boxes for like 2 hours. So now it's time to open this.
So Yoshi got his own, and I got mine, and we're gonna start off doing Yoshi's.
Yeah, we're gonna do a separate video.
Yeah. So Yoshi is going for.
By the way, this is Joshi.
This is D Angelic right here.
And Junior's over here.
Here. So we're going for Sombre and Omega.
Yeah, we're going for supers.
So and Ultra.
And Omega.
And we just hope to God our secret is not Coyote or fucking.
Why do you have to say it?
And as you can see, kind of on the side, when we come to my mat, you know, we can come to my mat, but we're gonna come to Yoshi's mat real quick. But like, as you can see, right, I got my sneak peek mat. Yeah, I want it. I want my sneak peek, but move it for Junior.
So let's get. So it's opening already. I'm gonna start opening already.
This is all Yoshi.
Let's go. I need something. I don't know what it is, but I need.
That's good. I'm looking. It's good.
No, just sit over here.
I want to see it.
Oh, you want to see it? I want to know what I'm doing too. That's what.
Yeah, I got you.
Let's get this open because I want to see what the fuck I got.
By the way, Yoshi couldn't even wait.
Yo, Yoshi was fucking tripping balls.
Yoshi was like,
how the fuck you open it? Hey, by the way, this is my first box I ever bought.
Go like this. Come over here.
Yeah, this is my first. I'm gonna do.
And then you put this up. And then.
He was a box version up to now.
You put it down there.
Here's a box.
Alright, so push it down.
This way?
Yeah, right there.
So let's go into the first pack. That's good?
Yeah.
You know me, I'm always fucking bad opening these, so bear with me, please.
Yeah, we got 24 packs to go through.
Yeah, fuck this shit. Open it with my mouth.
Next up with my teeth. Alright, so
this is what I get in the first pack.
A little bit down?
Down? Like that?
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
So let's see what we get. I'm gonna put the limit to things over
yeah,
here.
That's trade bait right there. Mind Drain, he got it. That's the rare, and... Oh, I need this!
Yeah, we're gonna talk about that after the video.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to make a Phantom Beast up in this bitch, but yo, Ultra right off the bat.
Ultra's there. You can see the Ultra?
That means good
luck. I'm gonna put this to the side.
That's Mecha Phantom Beast. What does it say?
I don't know.
Meta,
Hamstrat.
Biz, Hamstrat.
Hamstrat, okay. So, oh, this is the flip effect one. Okay, that's why. Okay.
So this is.
We got the rare and we got the super over here.
To the side.
The rare,
good?
Yeah.
That's so let's get see. That's not bad. We started with an Ultra first pack.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
And then
it's not Omega, but yeah, but it's not that bad.
I don't know who's the Ultra and who's. I don't know what's what. The only thing I know about is the secrets, my supers, and his Ultra. That's the only thing I know about. Oh, and Galaxy Eyes.
That's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Is that the broken one?
Nah, it's not the broken one. A little bit down, a little bit down.
Oh, we got the
Gauntlet Blade. Yo, I just traded for that too.
I told you, yeah, we're gonna go.
It doesn't matter, I want another one. Fuck that shit.
Yeah,
so if you don't know what this is the new generic rank 6. What he does is let's see. You can detach one material from this card and then target one monster your opponent controls, destroy it. And this is for level 6. Oh, I just noticed he has 20 AD.
Defense?
He has 20 AD. Yo, 2 Ultras right off the bat.
I guess I'm not getting my Omega. Because it's two, I think it's like 2 Ultra per box.
Still got the ultimate probably.
We got the ultimate, yeah.
Oh, short print.
This
short
one?
print, yeah.
Alright, so let's see what else can I get in this box.
Z-Block, Evil Shark, Triceratops.
Oh.
Okay, that's a good rare. That's a good rare.
Let me take all
this was the OCG exclusive that was supposed to fucking kill Elemental Dragons.
Let's see how that works.
So yeah, we'll see how this works. People are saying it's garbage already. The rare's over here.
Alright, so let's see what I get in the next pack.
Hey, he got 2 Ultras again. Not good.
Well, the Mind Drain, that's good.
Mind Drain, okay. Mind Drain. Parsec Dragon. The Runix. A little bit down. Yeah. No, a little bit too up. A little bit. There, right there. Ooh, Hoot Cakes.
Okay, I heard this card is really good.
Okay, he's good for the
Madosha, right?
Yeah, for Madosha. And this is the rare. He got XYZ Reborn, I think it is. Revenge.
Oh!
Oh, he got a green Duston. That's another short print.
Put that in the side.
He wants to make the Duston deck for trolls. So
It's like the Ojamas.
I'm getting good opening these packs.
A bit down, please. There you go, right there.
Oh, he pulled one of them.
Fucking baby dragon. Yeah, I need that shit. I'm trying to make burning knuckles. Nothing. So, battle boxing in English, but this nigga's effect basically says he can take an attack and he gains 800. So that's really good. Oh my god! What's the secrets?
That's what I want to know. I don't even know which all the ultras.
A little bit down. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. King of
Where's the 5 common broken one, man?
This is rare and battle in box.
Can you see what that shit does?
If you want to see what you want to do.
Yeah. I think it looks better like that. If I can know what I'm doing.
What she said? Fuck. Alright. She's a Chaos Succeed. I need that Barrier Influence, man.
So let's see what else can I get here.
Redux. Rhino and nothing.
Ah.
Right over there.
Shitty colors, whatever.
Look at all these fucking commons over here.
I'm getting better at opening these packs, yo.
Alright, we got some. Yo, down. Runix. Tengu. Oh yeah, you got it.
A broken comment.
That's a super right there.
That's like a super. I'm gonna treat it like a super. So leave it there with a rare is that. That's what it is for the comments.
Shark Fortress.
Looks like leave it over here with this guy.
Parsec, the Interstellar Dragon, Mind Drain.
Hey, we already have 7.
Yo, I haven't seen a fucking E-Dragon.
Oh, the big one?
I haven't seen a Dragon Rule yet.
I have the baby ones come on.
Yo, look at the camera,
I know that's
nigga.
an XC right there.
I think I saw like a ultimate there.
Look at the camera, nigga.
There's another XC. I know there's another XC in there.
Sure.
Maybe I'm wrong. There you go.
Oh,
Arby's?
the paper
Arby's?
dragon,
Yeah.
whatever.
And
It's
that's
for
it.
rares.
Did you want to make this deck?
Me? I got a lot. I want a bunch of decks.
We speak when it comes.
Tank,
So, what the fuck?
Burner, Battling Boxer, and this guy. And the rare. Ooh, super. What the fuck?
It says Modoche Knight.
Modoche
It's a
Knight.
concept trap. You can read it.
Let me see. So Modoche Knight says, when a monster effect is activated, if you have no monsters in your graveyard, negate the activation. Then if you control a Modoche cutting the set, shuffle
will
one
make all
random
your
card
money
from your
back
opponent's
if you
hand
get that
into the
card
deck.
you
Shut the
just-
fuck up! I was reading.
Yes.
You could read.
Yeah, just show it to the camera. You can pulse it if you want to read it.
Yeah. Blame Junior.
Yeah, blame you, man.
Always a nigga.
Yeah, it's always the
Why
nigga.
are we using the N-word on the camera?
Nika.
Nick, that's
Say
what we
Nick
said.
Nika. Oh, yo, this is the card that won fucking.
I know, I heard about
This is
that
the card that won the sneak peek, yo. Magnum Shield.
Yep, this is rare.
Very Chigo. Oh, the original one. I never seen this bitch.
Oh, I'm gonna be really upset if I don't pull
You
a
can
secret.
attach one XYZ monster from material, draw one card. She's draw power, basically. And she has 19 attack. Not that good, but. My man's not even looking.
Yeah, zoom out a little bit. I think it's better zoom out.
Like that's good, but you gotta go down.
Oh, fuck that. Sorry.
He just wants to try to get it.
Yeah, that's the red here.
Mimic.
That's a pretty good card.
Yeah, but you can't see it. Like,
No, you can see it because. Just comment down below if it's a good angle or not. We rookies out here.
oh, can I get this one open? Oh, this one's a bitch.
Come on, Sandra.
How much more cards you got? You
Got a whole bunch. So let's gotta see if I can speed this up.
We on 10
Yep,
minutes.
I already got my play set. Says go,
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 go.
go.
Nothing.
Next pack. Sorry, you two,
Oh,
if
this
this
one.
taking. If it's taking,
You
taking
close
off.
this one. The last one.
I think this one got something, bro.
Shut up. Oh yeah, for those who don't know, listen to this bullshit, right? Our friend Melvin went and bought 2 fucking special edition packs of what's this? Let's see.
Oh.
Currency!
Hey, don't touch it.
It's mine.
I don't
It's
care.
mine.
I don't
It's
care.
mine.
When you get something, I'll trade it to you.
You stole me $15.
I'm gonna give you the $15. Yeah, I knew I had a feeling I was gonna pull that. You're gonna pull the Constellas.
I'm gonna pull the Constellas. Anyways,
Oh,
so
baby
what
girl.
happened is our friend Melvin, you should know, the guy who bought the Galaxy Overlord. He bought 2 special edition packs. You know, the ones with 3 and the promo in the back. And before he had pulled out a Spellbook of Master. Nika pulled out another Spellbook of Masters, a bear, a Diamond Dire Wolf,
out of the 6 packs.
and a quick booster.
But that was all thanks to me and Janksy.
Yeah, I pulled out the bear, and this nigga pulled out both the secrets.
I pull crap.
Bull crap. I tried to buy some myself, and I didn't get luck. All I pulled out was the Fire for Synchro.
Janksy was like, fuck.
Oh, this is a feisty one.
Secret, that's the secret pack right there.
Where's the secret at? I wanna know where's my secret.
Magnum Shield, XYZ block. Oh, it's a
finally.
dragon. Nigga, zoom this shit in, yo. I'm tired of looking at it.
Nah, is that when it's on YouTube? It's gonna be bigger anyway. So.
Leave it like that. Oh, Gear Gut. This is for the Gear Gut deck.
Oh, you can read it.
What this says is special summon 2 Gear Gano monsters from your deck and increase the level by 1. You can only activate this track card once per turn. This actually increases the consistency of the Gear Gut deck.
Yugioh? Isn't that the machine deck?
Yeah. Okay, we got a Nixies. Battle Inboxer. Spell card. That card. Rhino and nothing.
Nothing. For the rest of the comments.
Shit, you're running out, man. You're running out, man.
What's my ultimate secret? I think that's
I'm
the
saving this pack.
Oh man.
But you 2 of them for that.
Oh
shit.
man.
I gotta place this already. Another Mandre.
Dude, this is a bunch of commons. And nothing. I already got this pack like almost open already.
Got this pack.
Somebody's calling, but fuck that.
I got this pack already open and ready. Man, will Yoshi's first pack box be nothing that he wants? At least give him a Sombre.
Word.
And...
Finally!
The Yu-Gi-Oh gods have spoken!
Finally!
Woo! Let's see this bitch. So...
Hey, remember I wanted that ultimate
my
too,
God.
man.
Oh god, yo, look at that shit.
That shit looks
Misprint
just-
kind of.
It looks
Look at all this
sexy
shit is
too.
look how big that shit is over here. And look how small it is over here. See that shit?
As you can see, I don't know.
It's like a mini misprint.
It's like you see this side, right? Wait, fail. You see the side? It's like it's mad.
Like it's
It's
expanding.
thick. Like it's
Yeah.
like if the picture's like more this way, and over here it's nothing.
Alright, so for you people who don't know what Constellar Omega does, right? He's basically the Forbidden Lance of their deck for the Constellars. And he says 2 level 4 lights. Once per turn, then you get to place turn, which means he can chain it. You can detach from material. All Constellar monsters you control are unaffected by spells and
It's
traps.
like a forbidden lance on it.
This is their lance, so. Listen. This is right there. It's that shit.
What are comments is doing here? Yes, I'm hype.
Congratulations.
One more to go, and I want an ultimate
Now
on.
he wants. Now he needs a secret.
Let's see what the secret's gonna be.
Oh,
No, that was nothing.
That was
Alright.
nothing. That was a fail.
that's a pretty.
Oh my god, 2 packs. You're down to the wire. Either these 2 have a secret or Junior or me has it.
I
And this
think,
shit's already halfway open.
I think this one got it.
I don't know, man. This shit's pretty
Come on,
simple,
people.
so-
What do you think the secret is gonna be?
What is the
What do you
secret?
think we're gonna get? A Joshi, Junior, or Janksy?
Let's go. Let's see.
And oh, fire formation. Oh, you got the super one.
I thought it was not gonna be no more supers.
This is pretty good.
Well, last pack for me, and then they're gonna open 2 for me. So
I want to open first. Remember, you open first.
Yeah.
If you put out the secret, that means I'm not gonna put out no secret.
unless I pull the secret right now.
And nothing. Oh shit. Oh
Baby
shit.
dragon.
Yeah, I swear to God,
Oh,
if there's no fucking
shit.
secret, I'm suing
Oh
Konami.
shit.
Go.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm going first.
Alright, I
So
go
the pack. I already halfway opened this shit. So.
Let's see if we pull out the secret. What secret is it?
Magnum shield.
I'm out just open this one.
There we are. I want Gust. What's the name? The plane.
Oh, Drago Sack.
Drago Sack or Judgment? That would be the.
I think it's an ultimate.
How's gonna be another ultimate?
Oh!
Oh, I forgot about
The
this.
Elemental Lord. That's the 8th secret.
I forgot about this.
Oh
one.
shit.
Now.
Oh shit.
I forgot about this.
You pulled
card.
up
I know I ain't gonna get shit.
Windrose. Holy shit.
Here we go. And that's it.
Yeah, I didn't even.
That's
I didn't
it.
even
I
think.
forgot about this Elemental Lord. Oh, that's probably why they're not the Elemental Dragons.
Oh, damn. I didn't even forgot this card came in this set.
Oh shit.
Also, that was my secret.
He didn't get anything much except his Omega boy.
I don't care. I got Omega, my Forbidden Lance.
Alright, people.
So all y'all Constellar players that subscribe to my channel, look at Omega, look how sexy and ultimate. So tomorrow will be part 2. That was I'm happy with my first box open. So
Yeah, so I need that currency on.
yes. Pull out my sunbrand.
Alright, so let's go.
I'll see you in part 2 tomorrow. Tomorrow uploaded.
Alright, so yep, peace.
Peace, you soon.